Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today information system for business functions. Marketing information system. Marketing information system is a computer-based system that works in conjunction with other functional information system to support the firm's management in solving problems that relate to marketing of firms products. The role of MKS is to assess मीन्स मार्केटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टम हमारा क्या है, कंप्यूटर बेस्ड सिस्टम है जो वर्क करता है कंजक्शन की तरह है विद अदर फंक्शनल इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम और सपोर्ट करता है हमारी फर्म्स को मैनेजमेंट को और सॉल्व करता है प्रॉब्लम को जो रिलेट होते हैं मार्केटिंग फर्म से. द मार्केटिंग मैनेजर इंफॉर्मेशन नीड develop the framework for collecting information and distribute the information gathered to the end user in a time. MIS generally carries out marketing needs analysis, planning, implementation and control function of marketing manager. Input of marketing management system. Transaction processing data, marketing research data, marketing intelligence data, external environment data, strategic plan. Output of marketing information system. Product planning, place planning, promotions, price, budget, allocation, sales, forecast. Human resource information system. The human resource information system is software or online solution for the data entry, data tracking and data information need of the human resource, payroll, management and accounting in functions within business. Accounting information system. In accounting information system is the system of recording business keep to maintain its accounting system. This include the purchase, sales and other financial process of the business. The purpose of AIS to accumulate data and provide decision maker, investor, creditors and managers with information to make decision. Like that is defined in this diagram. That is first one is input, then process and output. Transaction data, accounting system and financial state invoke receipt management information system. अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टम हमारा एक क्या सिस्टम है, रिकॉर्ड करता है हमारे बिजनेस को और मेंटेन करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू सिस्टम और हमारी अकाउंटिंग के सिस्टम की और इंक्लूड करता है परचेज सेल को, फाइनेंशियल प्रोसेस को और पर्पस को एक्यूमुलेट करता है जो प्रोवाइड करता है डिसीजन मेकर को लाइक इन्वेस्टर, क्रेडिटर्स एंड मैनेजर्स. ASI strategy structure and operations of planning and control process which are aimed at providing information for decision making and accountability to internal and external and stakeholder that complies with specific quality criteria. Provide the right conditions for sound decision making, ensuring that no assessed types of accounting IS. General legal system, assess, management, order entry system, account receivable and payable system, inventory control system, payroll system, cash management. Financial information system. The term financial information system is used to describe the CBIS subsystem that provide information to persons and group both inside and outside the firm connecting the firm's financial matters. Information is provided in the form of reports, special reports and result of mathematical simulations, electronic communications and the advice of expert system. A financial MIS provide financial information not only for executive but also for broader set of people who need to make better decisions on a daily basis. Features of financial information system. यूज़र फ्रेंडली इंटरफेस. इसमें हमारा कहता है मॉड्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं, ऑटोमेटिक इंटरफेसेस, फ्लेक्सिबल अकाउंट नंबर, रियल कंट्रोल अकाउंट, फ्लेक्सिबल रिपोर्ट फॉर्मेट्स और इंस्टॉलेशन ऑप्शंस, जनरेटिव एंड सिक्योरिटी. फंक्शनल ऑफ फाइनेंशियल IS. Most financial MIS perform the following functions: integrated financials and operational information from multiple sources including internet into a single system. Make financial data immediately available to shorten analysis turnaround time. Enables analysis financial data along multiple dimensions: time, geography, product, plan and customer. Analyze historical and current financial activity. Monitor and control the use of funds over time. System analysis and design. The overall process by which information system are designed and implemented within organization refer to the system analysis and design, called SAND. Within this process are contained activities that include identification of business problem, the proposed solution in the form of information system called IaaS, the one more of the problem identified, and the design and implemented of the proposed solution to achieve the desired and stored goal of the organizations. Type of development life cycle. One of the method of using system approach to develop information system solutions, and the most frequent one is the organization system analysis and design. Can be viewed in multiple step interactive process called the system development life cycle called SDLC. फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में जो हमारी ऑपरेशन फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी वो क्या है, हाउ वेल द प्रपोज सिस्टम सपोर्ट द बिजनेस प्रायोरिटीज ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. How well the proposed system will solve the identified problem. How well the proposed system will fit with existing organization structure. Economic feasibility. Cost saving, increased revenue, decreased investment requirement, increased profit, cost benefit analysis. Technical feasibility. Hardware, software and network capability. Reliability and availability. Human factors feasibility. Employee, customers, supplier, acceptance and management support, determining the right people for the various new or revised roles. Legal political feasibility. Patent, copyright and licensing, government restrictions affected, stakeholder and reporting authority. System analysis. System analysis is not preliminary studies, however, it is a depth study of end user information needs that produce. Functional requirements that are used as the basis of the design of new information system analysis transaction involve detailed study of system analysis. The information need to company and end user like yourself, the activity, resource and product of one more of the present information system being used. The information capabilities required to meet your information need and those of other business stakeholder that use the system. Importance of step for system analysis. Organization analysis, analysis of the present system, logical analysis, functional requirement analysis and determination. Example of function requirement of proposed common system for a business. User friendly interface, processing requirement, storage requirement, control requirement. User friendly interface क्या करता है, ऑटोमेटिक एंट्री प्रोड्यूस करता है डाटा को, इजी टू यूज डाटा एंट्री एंड स्क्रीन फॉर वेब कस्टमर. फास्ट ऑटोमेटिक कैलकुलेशन ऑफ सेल टोटल्स एंड शिपिंग कॉस्ट, तो ये हमारा प्रोसेसिंग रिक्वायरमेंट करता है. फास्ट रिट्राइवल एंड अपडेट डाटा फ्रॉम प्रोडक्ट प्राइसिंग एंड कस्टमर डाटाबेस, ये डिफाइन करता है हमारा स्टोरेज रिक्वायरमेंट. सिग्नल्स फॉर डाटा एंट्री एरर एंड क्विक ईमेल कन्फर्मेशन फॉर कस्टमर, ये हमारा कंट्रोल रिक्वायरमेंट करता है. अदर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, टेस्टिंग, डाटा कन्वर्सेशन, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, ट्रेनिंग, सिस्टम कन्वर्सेशन, पोस्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. डाटा क्या करते हैं, हम कन्वर्जन करते हैं, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करते हैं, देन ट्रेनिंग और सिस्टम कन्वर्जन करते हैं, पोस्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करते हैं. ये हमारा होता है इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है एक्टिविटीज़ है.